Hello and welcome to the video on working with sheets, multiple sheets in Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, and MacBook Numbers. So the first thing you'll do is open up the provided worksheet in Microsoft Excel, and it should be the dollar sales for January 2023. And let's say I wanted to prepare this for use for the year 2024. So if I hover between the triangle between the columns and numbers, it'll highlight everything. And then I can Control C for copy. And then down at the bottom on the status bar next to sheet 1, I'm going to click the circle with the plus sign on it, and it gives me sheet 2. And then Control V is paste. So I'm going to double click in the title, or I can actually just click once in the formula bar and change the 3 backspace to a 4. So this is for 2024. So sheet 1 is dollar sales for 2023 and sheet 2 is for 2024. There are other ways to copy, but this is one way, and we'll learn other ways later on. So you have one called sheet 1 and one called sheet 2 within the same workbook. But it probably would be better to name the sheet so you know exactly what you're looking at. So I'm going to right click on sheet 2 and choose rename. And I'll just type sales 2024. And then I'll do the same thing for sheet 1. Right click, rename, and this will be sales 2023. So that way they're both named. So that's in Microsoft Excel. Now I'm going to switch over to Google Sheets. In Google Sheets, I just have sheet 1, dollar sales 2023, the same box between the columns and rows, and I'll Control C. And then down at the bottom, it's not, you can see when you hover over, it's got that circle around it, but it's the same plus sign in the status bar, and it'll give me a new sheet 2, and then Control V. And again, I'll make this one 2024, and the sheet 1 is 2023, and again, I'll rename. This one you don't right click, you just click on the drop down, and then you can choose rename. And this will be sales 2023. Then I'll do the same thing for sheet 2 and choose rename, and this will be sales 2024. So you have 2 sheets in the same workbook. I just haven't named the workbook. So that was in Google Sheets. In MacBook, again, I don't have access to an Apple computer, so you type in the Google search. Just make sure you choose supportapple.com, and you'll see the directions for using Sheets on a MacBook. I'm going to go back to Excel. And just to share with you, if you wanted to, the order of them, if you wanted to have, because you're in the current year 2024 and you wanted that one first, all you do is go to the status bar on the sheet label, just hold and drag, so you can change the order of them if you wanted to. And I just wanted to share with you the other way that you could create a whole new worksheet. So let's say we wanted to do 2025. That could be on sales 2024. Right click on it and choose move or copy, and I could move it to its own new workbook, but I want to keep it right here, or a different workbook, but I'll keep it where it is. I want to move it to the end, and make sure you choose create a copy so you won't lose the 2024, and then click OK. You'll get a parentheses because it's a copy of it, and that's when you would just do the rename, and then I'll just get rid of the parentheses and put a 5. So now I have 3 of them, and I'd have to make sure I come up here and change that to 2025, and I have 1 for each of each year. Thank you.